How to download audio from YouTube to MP3. Hey everybody, if you're wondering how you can follow these easy steps, so head over to youtube.com, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface. Now what you can do is head over to your profile at the right, top right, and go to YouTube Studio from this given options. Click on YouTube Studio. After clicking on YouTube Studio, you should be finding this. So what you can do is head over to the option audio library from this options. Click on it. And after clicking on it, you should be finding your audio library here with all of the audios. So all you gotta do is locate up the audio that you would like to download. For example, let's say this one right here. And you should be finding download option when you head over to the music. Click on download. And once you click on that, it will start downloading at the top. And you should be finding it automatically be downloading in MP3 version. You don't need to do anything. So that is it. That's how you download audio in MP3 from YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.